Welcome back everyone to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala. This is Palak and today we are going to solve the question way too long words, which is from Codeforces beta round 65. So in the question, the problem statement says that sometimes words like localization or internationalizations are so long that writing them many times in one text is quite tiresome. So let's consider a word too long if its length is strictly more than 10 characters. All too long words should be replaced with a special abbreviation. So the question statement says that if a word has more than 10 characters, we have to create special abbreviation for them. So let's see how these abbreviations are created. So we have to write down the first and the last letter of a word, and between them we write the numbers of letters between the first and last letters. That number should be in decimal system. Okay, so for the word localization, abbreviation would be L, the last word N, and the distance between L and N, the digits, number of digits is 10. For example, let's take a simpler example, that is place. So in the question, it is mentioned that we have to create word more than 10 letters, but just for example, I'm showing you a word less than 10 characters. So in the word place, we took the first character, which is P, the last character, which is E, and the number of digits between P and E, which is 3. So what is the distance between P and E? Obviously n minus 2. The length of the string was n, and we took out the first and the last letters. So the distance between them is n minus 2. So let's see the input format for this question. So in the input, we have to take an integer n, and we also have to take test cases. And in the output, we have to just output the abbreviation associated with each test case. So the following program for this question is, we did this for the number of test cases, then we assigned a string str, and I have taken an integer n, which will denote the size of the string str. So int n is equals to str dot size. So it is mentioned in the question that if the length is strictly more than 10 characters, then we have to perform this abbreviation task. And if it is not, like the word, letter word has only 4 characters, then it is not more than 10 characters, then we have to display the word as it is. That is, word is displayed as word only. But if the string has more than 10 characters, then we have to create the abbreviation. So we have to take these two things in mind. So I have written, if the length of the string is more than 10, then we have to create abbreviation by taking the first letter, the last character, and the digits between the first and last character, which is n minus 2. Else, if the string is not up to 10 characters, we just have to see out the string as it is. So let's see if this code is working properly for the solution. So we can see that the solution is accepted and our following code is true. Thank you for joining in, everybody.